Hello everyone, welcome back to Sorry Gregory. In today's meeting we are going to have a look at 4 idioms from Colors. Yes, this is part 2 of this series, and if you haven't seen the first part yet, you should definitely have a look at that first. Today we are going to have a look at 4 idioms from Colors. I will tell you where they come from and how to use them. Hopefully it will help you remember them better and use them more confidently. So let's get it started. Before we do that, make sure you subscribe to this channel, please hit the bell icon, otherwise you won't be alerted when I make a new upload. In black and white. This one simply comes from the difference between the two colors. Even colorblind people can tell the difference between the two. So if you say, I couldn't believe it, but there it was written in black and white that I won a trip to Europe. Or he explained it in black and white, it means it's clear and easy to understand. To feel blue. This one means to be sad. It comes from deep-water sailing ships. When a ship lost its captain on a voyage, on return home, it had blue flags and a stripe along its hull. How to use this idiom? You can say, I was alone on my birthday and feeling blue. Then Tommy called and invited me out, and I felt better. Hopefully you're not feeling blue today, are you? Okay, here comes the last but one today, and it is to have the green light. This idiom comes from the standard red-green color scheme used in traffic lights and railway signals, and it simply means to have permission to go ahead. Now you can say, the bank has sent us the money, we have the green light to start the project, or once we get the green light, we are going to call our investors. Okay, we've made it to the end. The last idiom today is the red tape, which means big, excessive bureaucracy. It comes from the 17th century when the red tape was used for binding up legal and other official documents. Nowadays you can say, before we start we must cut through the red tape, or the government promised to reform and reduce the red tape. Alright, that's it. We've covered 4 idioms from Colors today. Of course, there are many more and I leave it to you to find them out. But first, let's recap what we have learned. We have the green light to start the project. We have permission. We don't like the red tape. We don't like bureaucracy. She's feeling blue today. She is sad. He explained everything in black and white. It was clear. That's it. Now you know how to speak English better. I hope you've learned something new from today's video. Let me know if you knew all the idioms. See you in the next video. Cheers!